Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to sign in to a different device using your existing iCloud or Apple account. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to tap on the settings and then it will open like this. From here you will find Apple account is there. So I'm going to tap on the Apple account and it brings like this type of user interface or option. There are two options: use another Apple device, and second is sign in manually. I'm going to sign in manually, so I need to tap on the second option, and then it is asking to put the email address or the iCloud or Apple ID. So I'm going to type the email address or phone number whatever I used to sign in my existing iCloud account. So I'm going to tap it over here. Once you type your email or Apple ID over there or phone number, then tap on the continue button. I'm going to tap on the continue button and very shortly it will prompt you to put the password. Now you have to put your password over here. Once you type the correct password for your account, and if the email and password is correct, that means the Apple ID and password is correct, then press the continue button and you will see that it is able to log in your account and it is asking the two-factor verification code. So I'm going to type the two-factor verification codes over there from my other Apple device. If the code is correct, then you will see Apple is your device is actually trying to log in or sign in, and here you will get two options: merge the iCloud or don't merge. Merge means all the data will be sync. So I want to sync both the devices data together. So I'm going to tap merge. But if you are not interested to sync both devices, then use don't merge. So I'm going to tap merge and then both the device data will be synced. And here it is showing signing in. Still it is taking some time to sign in. So you have to wait till it finished, and if it gives you all the information. So it will take some time. It depends based on the like data you are using, your existing device. I mean the storage space. Based on that, it will take some time. And here you will see that I am able to log in or my account basically, which is for my other device. And here it is showing both the devices basically. The first one is the Miss iPad. This is this iPad and iPhone FewSteps. This is my phone. So basically I am using the same Apple ID which I already logged in to my phone. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily sign in to a different device using our existing iCloud or Apple account. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question or if you face any problem, just put in the comment section.